seeing the world gently, one path at a time. Somewhere in this world we believe travel can be gentle and deserves to be noticed.
Welcome to the heart of England's first national park, the Peak District. A land of rugged moorland, whispering winds, and dramatic edges sculpted by time. Here, nature tells its story in stone, sky, and silence. Just beyond the city of Sheffield lies Higger Tor, a mighty gritstone outcrop rising from the heather-covered hills. Its weathered edges and panoramic views make it one of the Peak District's most iconic landmarks. From the summit, you can see far into the Hope Valley, and on a clear day, catch glimpses of Mom Tor and Kinderscout in the distance. Beneath Higger Tor lies Upper Burbage Bridge, a popular starting point for walkers, trail runners, and climbers alike. From this stone bridge, paths unfold into a landscape shaped by ancient geology, the millstone grit, laid down over 300 million years ago. These rocks were once part of river deltas and tropical swamps. Today, they stand like sentinels, reminding us of the slow, patient work of nature. Wind and rain continue to sculpt these highlands, creating the deep channels and jagged outcrops we see today. The walk to Higger Tor is gentle and accessible, a short 10 to 15 minute climb from the roadside. It's especially stunning at sunrise or sunset, when the sky burns with color and shadows stretch across the valley. The trails are well trodden but can be muddy after rain, so good shoes are recommended. Parking is available nearby with free roadside spaces near Upper Burbage Bridge and additional parking at Surprise View Car Park, just a short distance away. This area is a favorite among families, solo hikers, and photographers seeking that perfect shot of the Peak District's wild charm. And yet, beyond the views and the stone, what draws visitors back is something quieter: the stillness, the open air, and the sense of standing somewhere ancient, enduring, and free. This is Higger Tor. This is Upper Burbage. This is the Peak District, vast, wild, and waiting. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bertie and Canon, your window into the landscapes and stories of the UK.